Hi, today I'm going to take you through what's in the box and show you how to set up and use your Swift Action Carpet Sweeper. Inside the box you'll find the sweeper head and the handle. The handle comes in 4 parts. Simply screw together the 3 sections and then screw on the topper. Next you can attach the handle securely to the sweeper head. The Swift Action Carpet Sweeper has 3 brushes for a more effective clean. The stiffer outer brushes lift dirt, dust and pet hair from deep in your carpet fibres, whilst the central brush sweeps everything up into the dirt chamber. When it's time to empty your carpet sweeper, hold the sweeper over your bin and flip the chamber open. To keep your sweeper in top condition, use the brush cleaning comb to free dust, dirt and fur from the cleaning bristles. The cleaning brush stores neatly on the handle, so it's always within reach. And that's it, you're ready to use your Swift Action Carpet Sweeper.